Hello guys, welcome to LeetCode, and today in this video we will be looking at the question that says count the digit that divide a number. So here we are given an integer num, and for each digit present in the number, if it is divisible, that means if we can divide that digit with these nums, then we would increment our answer. So we need to return the count of all the digits with which we can divide the number. So let us take this example 121 for better understanding. So for the first digit, is 121 is divisible by 1? Yes. So we increase our count to 1. Then again for the next digit 2, is 121 divisible by 2? No. Then for the third digit 1, is 121 divisible by 1? Yes. Then we increase the count to 2. For 1248, let us look here. So here we are given integer 1248. For all these digits is 1248. Module of 1 equals to 0. Yes, this is true. Then we would increase count to 1. 1248. Now next digit is 2. If this number is divisible by 2, yes, count is increased to 2. The 1248 modulus 4 equal to 0. That means if this number is divisible by 4, yeah, then we increase the count to 3. Now 1248 is divisible by 8. If yes, yeah, then we increase the count to 4. So that's how we proceed this question. Let's say we would have 127. Now we would check if 127 is divisible by 1. That means modulus 1 equal to 0. If this is true, we would increase the count. Now 127 modulus 2 equal to 0, the second digit. No, then we won't increase the count. Now 127 modulus 7 equals to 0. No, then we would simply not change the count. So here the answer is 1. Here the answer is 4. So this is a simple question where for each digit we need to check if we can divide this number with a digit or not. So let us try to solve this. Now to get each digit, what I will do is I would take one string as, and I would convert this number to this string using toString function. So this number is converted. Let's say this number is 1 2 3 4 5. Then I would convert it to this string 1 2 3 4 4 5. Now I would traverse the string from its index 0 up till the last index, it is s dot size, and I would check if number modulus of s of I minus 0 equals to 0. Then I would simply increment our answer variable and I would return answer. So using this, what I can do is I can simply traverse for each of these characters of the string and I would minus 0 so that I get its integer value, and if that value is divisible, if the num is divisible by that value, then I would simply increment this count of answer. Let me initialize answer as 0. Now let me try to run this. Okay, now let me try to submit this. Okay, so this question was pretty much easy, where we have to check if the number is divisible by its digit or not, and we simply increment the count. I hope you understood the solution. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.